Grade 7 students, today I am going to explain the lesson equation and formula. Constructing simple equations. An equation always contains the symbol equal sign, unknown terms, numbers, and operations, mathematical operations. Example 1. A vendor had X mangoes. He bought another 24 mangoes. He now has a total of 114 mangoes. Express this information by an equation. Children, he had X mangoes. He bought 24 mangoes. Now he has 114 mangoes. What is the mathematical operation we are going to do here? Plus. X plus 24 equals 114. Now you can see equal sign, unknown term, a number, another number, and mathematical operation, plus sign. Relationships of the above forms are called equation. Example 2. The price of a loaf of bread reduced by 4 rupees. The new price of a loaf of bread is 50 rupees. Express this by an equation. We don't know the value of a loaf of bread. So we have taken its unknown term. I have taken as B. Reduce. Reduce means minus 4 equals 50. Example 3. Twice the number of x is equal to 25. Twice. Twice means 2 times. 2 times the number of x. X multiplied by 2. It means 2x equals 25. Example 4. It cost rupees 100 to buy 3 pens at rupees x each. What is the price of a pen? X rupees. How many pens? 3 pens. 3 multiplied by x. 3x equals 100. Next example. Half of the number p is equal to 20. Half of the number p divided by 2 equals 20. Or else you can write half of p equals 20. You can write first method or a second method. Both are correct. Solving simple equation. Finding a value of the unknown term. A plus 8 equals 10. A is unknown term. We don't know the value of A. Now we are going to find the value of unknown term. Children, this is plus 8. You are going to omit plus 8. This is, then you have to write minus 8. Then the 8 minus 8 will be 0. Then what is remaining in the left side? A. What did you do to the left side? Minus 8. Then you have to do the same thing to the right side, minus 8. 10 minus 8 will be 2. What is the value of A? 2. X minus 7 equals 10. X minus 7. What is the opposite of minus? Plus. Then only you can omit 7. Then minus 7 plus 7. What did you do to the left side? You add plus 7. Then the same thing you have to do to the right side. Plus 7. Then x equal 10 plus 7 will be 17. Next example, 5x equal 10. 5x means 5 multiplied by x. How do you omit this 5? What is the opposite of multiplication? Division. So 5x you divide by 5. You do the same thing to the right side. 10 you divide by 5. Then 5, those get omit. Then 10 divided by 5, 2. X equals 2. An equation containing only one unknown of index 1 is called a simple equation. Now you can see this is a simple equation, right? Only one unknown term. Solve. 2x plus 3 equals 13. To make x the subject, remove values, outer values first, right? 2x plus 3. What is the opposite of plus 3? Inverse minus 3. Then you have to do the same thing to the right side. Then you write 2x, 13 minus 3 will be 10. 2x, 2 multiplied by x. Now divide both the sides by 2. 2x divided by 2, 10 divided by 2. Then what is the value of x? 5. Children, remember this. Have to do the opposite operation. It should be as follows. Now, mathematical operation, inverse mathematical operation. Addition, inverse will be subtraction. Subtraction, then addition. Division, multiplication. Multiplication, division. Five x minus 8 equals 32. 5x, what do you do first? You have to omit this minus 8. So what do you do, children? What is the inverse operation of subtraction? Addition. Now you can see here plus 8. When you do something, any operation to the left side, you have to do the same thing to the right side. Here plus 8. Then here also you write plus 8. Then 8 minus, when you minus 8 plus 8, 0. Then what is remaining here? 5x equals 32 plus 8 will be 40. Here 5x. 5x means 5 multiplied by x. What is the inverse mathematical operation of multiplication, division. Then you can see 5x, 5 multiplied by x, divide by 5. Here also you have to divide by 5. Both the sides you have to divide by 5. Then what is remaining here? X. 40 divided by 5, 8. Now what is the value of x, children? 8. Now we are going to check whether our answer is correct. X equals 8. Right? 5x minus 8 equals 32. 5x, 5 multiplied by 8, because we found the value of x. 5 multiplied by 8 is 40. 40 minus 8, 32. Now you can see your answer is correct. Another example, 3y minus 2 equals 10. 3y, here minus 2, then plus 2, inverse operation. Here you add plus 2, then here also you have to add plus 2. Then what is remaining here? 3y. Then you write equal sign. 10 plus 2 will be 12. 3y. 3 multiplied by y. What is inverse operation of multiplication? Division. Then you divide both the sides by 3. Then what is remaining here? Y. 12 divided by 3. 4. What is the value of y? 4. Now you can check whether your answer is correct. Y equals 4. 3y minus 2. 3. What is the value of y? 4. 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. 12 minus 2, 10. So you can see here, 10. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. When you solve it, it is left hand side and equals to right hand side. Example 3, 4x plus 24 equals 96. 4x. How do you omit this plus 24? Minus 24. Then the right side, minus 24. What is remaining? 4x. 96 minus 24. 72. Then 4x. How do you omit this 4? Divide by 4. Then 72 also you have to divide by 4. Then what is remaining? X. 72 divided by 4 will be 18. Now you can check your answer, right? X is 18. 4x plus 24 equals 96. 4. What is the value of x? 18. Plus 24 equals 96. 4 multiplied by 18, 72. 72 plus 24. When you add both, it is equals to 96. The solution x equal 18 is correct. Children, now I have given classwork and the assessment. Please do the classwork and the assessment. Submit on time, children.